Hello guys. If your Insignia portable air conditioner suddenly starts acting differently, stops cooling properly, makes unexpected sounds, or simply does not respond the way it normally should, it can definitely become frustrating. Sometimes the unit powers on, but the room still feels warm, while other times airflow seems weaker or the system shuts off unexpectedly. A problem like this can happen because of airflow restrictions, settings, water buildup, or temporary system interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Insignia portable air conditioner issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy troubleshooting steps to help fix common Insignia portable air conditioner problems. Try these. Step 1. Check cooling mode on the Insignia portable air conditioner if room temperature feels unchanged. Step 2. Clean the filter inside the Insignia portable air conditioner if airflow feels weak. Step 3. Inspect vents around the Insignia portable air conditioner for blocked airflow. Step 4. Empty collected water from the Insignia portable air conditioner if moisture buildup appears. Step 5. Restart the Insignia portable air conditioner briefly to refresh operation. Step 6. Test the Insignia portable air conditioner again and confirm performance improves normally.